Since AsiaTees discovered FlySky 3 years ago, we've made a lot of progress in providing RC hobbyists an avenue for which they can purchase their products. FlySky makes the most popular remotes for RC cars, RC helicopters, and RC airplanes. Under this brand, we now hold 28 products by FlySky, including the most popular ones like GT3B, GT3C, and IT4. This provides users with a larger variety of products to choose from. AsiaTees sold our first FlySky remote over 2 years ago, and we've been moving forward ever since with more products from FlySky, as we believe customers deserve reliability, ingenuity, and usability. Everything they do is to satisfy the RC community's various requirements, including constant software updates, ensuring the remotes can keep up with the modern RC trends. For example, a touchscreen was added to the newest remote available so RC hobbyists can control their RC models through a simple tap or a swipe gesture. In an age where everything has touchscreen capabilities, it was a step forward in the right direction to cater towards this function. FlySky. Tech-driven, innovative, progressive. From AsiaTees.